Good morning guys, welcome to our weekend. This is going to be a weekend vlog because Mike and I and little Bugs Boo, who is in the back, the package in the back, are off on a little adventure, which is very exciting because I feel like we go away a lot, but we very rarely go anywhere, just the three of us. So we're off to London for the weekend, which again, I go to London a lot for work, but I very rarely go just for fun and with these guys. So I'm very excited to spend a weekend away with Mike and Riv. Whoa, that was a big bump. And we actually are doing this in collaboration with Virgin Trains, who asked us if we'd like to go on a little family adventure. Obviously we said yes. And it is cheaper right there, family ticket. So if you don't know what a family ticket is, it's basically a train ticket for your family, and it's a fixed rate. So whether or not it's one adult, one child traveling, or two adults and four kids, it stays the same price, and they have super flexible timings as well. So as you will know, if any of you have kids, a lot of the time stuff goes wrong, you end up being late, missing the train, needing to get an earlier train. The train like return times are really flexible, which is awesome for family travel.
Is that why you gave us 2 hours to get to the train station that takes like 5 minutes?
I just didn't want to miss the train, okay Mike? I like to be very organised when it comes to travel. Mike likes to be not so organised and leave things to the very last minute, hence I packed last night. I was very organised, like River's things all lined up. Mike's like 5 minutes before we leave throwing everything in the suitcase.
What's the problem?
I don't approve of your style, Mike. So yeah, we are off to London for the day. I've actually also got some really exciting activities planned, which a lot of them I've never done before either. And I think Mike is going to be excited because they are children's activities, and that's kind of on his level. It's on your level.
It's definitely.
You're gonna love it. These two monkeys ready to roll. Riv's been watching the trains. She's scared.
Very fun.
So River doesn't actually know this yet. She's never used this. It's one of those backpacks. She wants it, and I've packed it. It's a backpack with reins because basically she's been so determined to walk on her own every time we go anywhere, and I filled it full of toys.
Wow.
Toys. I actually didn't plan this ahead. She's playing with the train. It looks like I planned it. I did. Going for a little walk. Try and keep her distracted. See ya. I spy with my little eye. Two monkeys. Little one is being a little bit tricky, so we've downloaded the Beam app, which basically you can get free she's shouting. You can get free movies and TV shows, and they have really good ones. They actually have the Lego Movie, which I have started watching already.
River didn't get the quiet cabin.
Did she not get the quiet cabin? No. Riv, let's watch this.
River.
Wow. Let's put it here. Yeah. Ready, Bugs? Say open sesame. Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's go. These two monkeys, Daddy and his mini me today. So cute. Every time we go anywhere, she loves doing this. So we've arrived in London. We actually walked from Euston to Central so that little one would go to sleep, which she has, yes. And we're now on our way. We're going to drop our bags off at the hotel, and then we are taking River to Rainforest Cafe, which I'm super excited about. I haven't been since I was probably about 10. So I think she is going to be... You've never been to Rainforest Cafe? Hang on a minute, I just processed that. What? Really?
I was from the north.
These northern monkeys, Mike's gonna love it. So River is asleep over there. Get in. And we have stopped for a cup of tea. We're actually in the hotel we're staying in tonight, which is the Hamyard Hotel. You're really sociable on your
Sorry,
phone.
I'm trying to show you something.
We're staying in the Hamyard Hotel, which is actually my favourite hotel in the whole of London. I love it. Like, look at it in here. It's so beautiful. More tea, Vicar? The tea also comes with a little cake. Winning. Made even better by the fact that River's not awake to steal the cake.
Oh, poor River.
Maybe we'll save her some. Maybe. Uh-oh, here we go. These two, so cute. Also everyone's birthday today. I think Mike might be a little bit more excited than River about the animals. Mike's got a feast of fish and chips going on. This little one is snacking down on pasta, her favourite, literally all she wants to eat all the time. These little adventurers returning from the jungle to some jelly. Say bye-bye! We are now on, I don't know which bridge this is, but we're on a bridge. We're walking over to the London Aquarium. We're taking Rivs to see real fishies now. And this is the view, London Eye. There's a very noisy train approaching. So nice to actually be a tourist in London for once. It's really weird to do it in your own kind of home, well, not a home city, but like somewhere you come a lot, but so cool. Go see the fishies, Bug. Yeah.
Is he loving the lobsters?
So, the fishes were great. Really enjoyed those. Did you enjoy the fishes, Mike?
Fabulous.
And we've now checked in to our hotel room. Riv is having her afternoon nap over there. So we're just gonna have a bit of chill time. We might actually go for afternoon tea actually, because this hotel does my favourite best value for money afternoon tea in all of London. You've been to for afternoon tea with me here before, haven't you? It's so nice. I hope that there might not be space, but we can try. But I thought I would do a little room tour for you and show you our beautiful room. Like I said before, this is my favourite hotel in London. It's such an amazing treat to stay here. I've only ever stayed here once before. Every room has like a different colour scheme. So we got this kind of like orange and yellow themed one, and they've placed, it's actually super sweet, they've put loads of kiddie stuff around. So they've got a cot in here for us. I think she actually might be sleeping in the bathroom because she's not very good at sleeping in the same room as us. But they also put a children's book in here, which is actually one of her favourites. She has two of these I think from this series, but not this one, so she'll love that tonight. And then we've got a desk. It's all just really beautiful. And there's, what have we got in here? Mini bar, might be hitting that up later. Espresso martini in a can. I've never seen that before, but I'm in. And then this is the bathroom. They also put some kiddie toiletries in here, which again, really nice touch, really sweet. And it's all beautiful grey marble. So yeah, Riv might end up sleeping in here tonight because it's really big and it'll be a bit more peaceful for her. So yeah, should we go get some afternoon tea?
Sounds delightful.
Got a snoozing baby on wheels. Good to go. The afternoon tea of dreams, and the best part, the bottom bit is full of warm scones. Oh yeah. And Mike drinking his tea like a lady. So our nice civilised afternoon tea has turned into not so civilised afternoon tea. I've got jam in my coffee, cheese mixed with scones. Very interesting combinations going on. So we're trying to find our room for bath time. It might take a while.
Really?
It's quite far away, isn't it, Riv? Someone's discovered her. Oh, maybe she's not excited. She was very excited when she discovered this. Now she just wants the room key. So little one is asleep out in the bathroom. We are having some room service. I'm in my PJs already and we're watching Batman, as we do. Mike is playing barman and making me a drink. Thank you, sir. What have we got for dinner? Mike's got spaghetti bolognese because he's carb loading, ready for his marathon training. I've got some chicken soup because I've got a bit of a cold. I thought all good. We've also got some fries and some bread. Half of the gin. Yeah. Thanks, Mike. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to breakfast before hitting up the museums today. These two are hungry and grumpy. Bugsy is very hungry and grumpy. Got breakfast all round, and my bagel's been half-inched by a small person. Mike's got some kind of avocado on toast, coffee, stuff all over the table. Let's hide it under the plates. So we are now on our way to the Science Museum. We're actually walking. It's about 2 miles, but it's time for River's morning nap, so we thought it was a good opportunity to get her down for a sleep. It's working, and it's also a beautiful day in London today. Look at this blue sky. Weren't expecting it. Kind of regretting not packing sunglasses, but there we go. Got a nice long walk ahead of us.
Wonders.
Happy days. Also, yes, River's definitely a little bit young for the Science Museum, but it's a bit of a selfish choice because it's my personal favourite. I love it there. And I actually haven't been in years, so I'm hoping that I still love it and that she loves it and that Mike loves it because he's never been either. So, little bug fell asleep right as we arrived at the Science Museum, so we have come and got coffee at the V&A cafe. It's gloriously sunny. It's actually such a nice little spot for a cup of coffee with my love. We're going to space. Bugsy's first trip to space. I told you Mike was gonna like it in here. And Mike doesn't know I'm actually filming him singing Baby Shark. Is that cool? No, she just likes the wellies. How come she always knocks my towers over, but you get one that big?
Skill.
Yeah, you build a tower in. These two are possibly the cutest. Also, no Eeyore in Mike's back pocket. So we stopped at Yo Sushi in Harvey Nichols for a little bit of lunch. Little one actually loved the Science Museum, which I'm not gonna lie, I knew she would like it, but I was surprised by how much she liked it. They actually have like a really cool play area in the basement called the Garden, and she went nuts. She was like absolutely loving it. And she's now tucking into some, what's it called, cucumber sushi. She's more so dipping her spoon into the soy sauce. She likes soy sauce. Disaster. She actually really likes Yo Sushi, and it's a good place to stop with her because you get immediate food. There's no waiting, which is the tricky part with babies. I always find they get really grumpy when they're waiting. Totally want that. I don't know what that is, but it looks good and I want to eat it. So we are walking back to the station to hop on the train home. Little one is just about going to sleep again. I kind of wish I was a baby, the amount she naps, seriously. But today is one of those days. I wish I could nap that much. Today is one of those days that, like, I swear half the people on the street are smiling because it's sunny, and it never happens. Like in March, it's glorious. Mike chilling. Someone's a little bit tired.
Too much.
River is now refusing to go in her buggy and will only travel by suitcase. Such a little madam. And everybody's been laughing at her at the station. So we're back in the car now, and I don't know if you can see this crazy person in the back there. You alright, Mike?
Yeah, all good, all good.
He's literally put his running gear on and he's running home. He's got and then running around the reservoir 5 times.
Again?
You're running around a reservoir 5 times, right? So you're doing how many, 21 miles?
23.
23 miles as part of his marathon training. I think, is this your longest run that you do before the marathon?
Yeah, this is the last like really long one.
Really long. Me and Rivs are gonna drive home. Well, we're gonna go and pick up the dogs. And then, who are staying with my mum, and then drive home. Crazy, crazy dude. Look at him, he's taking it seriously. I think you need to take it seriously running 23 miles, not gonna lie. Glad he's got the high vis on, that's all I can say. So we're back home now. Little one went straight down after her tea and bath because she was absolutely exhausted. She had such a great weekend. It was so nice to take her and do like activities, like kiddie activities, because we do them occasionally, but like we never really spend like the whole weekend doing that. I'm now cooking spaghetti bolognese. Mike's just got back from his run, which was horrendous apparently, and he is feeling terrible. So we're gonna go, but thank you very much for watching. A big thank you to Virgin Trains for sponsoring this video and also for enabling us to go to London and spend a family weekend staycation there, because we had a brilliant time. And sometimes you just need a push to do something like that as well, because I feel like it's not something we normally like take the time to organise, but it's definitely something that we're going to be doing more of, because it was actually really good for us to all spend some time together and just, yeah, be a little family. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.